Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Netspend Prepaid Card so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Gather your card and information. Locate your new Netspend Prepaid Card and any accompanying documents. Make sure you have your card, social security number, and personal details ready for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Netspend activation website at netspend.com/activate or log in to your Netspend online account. Navigate to the Activate Card section, enter your card number along with the required information, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. Alternatively, you can activate your card by calling the Netspend customer service number listed on the sticker attached to your card or on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompts and provide your card details and personal information. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or during the phone call. Your Netspend prepaid card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.